it's a protracted battle, multi-pronged. We are moving in different directions. So as you are told, I'm supposed to join my colleagues at Luzira. They are already waiting for me. Martha Kalu has just jetted in. So we are moving to Luzira. The procession is on the way. I am also armed with my gadgets in the vehicle here, set to storm Luzira and do the needful. But again, we had a conversation with Uganda Law Society over this matter, and we agreed that we do petition Uganda Law Society, and I'm glad that the Executive Council of Uganda Law Society agreed to be with us here to receive the petition in this regard. I spoke to the President of Uganda Law Society, His Excellency Isaac Chimazese Makadero, and he agreed to send the representative of Uganda Law Society, who is none other than the Secretary General, Mr. Babu. He will tell you the second name, and he is here. He will give you his full particulars. The Secretary General, on behalf of the Executive Council of Uganda Law Society and on behalf of the entire institution, first of all, to receive the petition, and then you'll give him some slot to give some remarks on that, in that regard. Mine is to present the petition, and here is the petition in this file to the Uganda Law Society. So I'll just read out briefly. It's a smaller document. The details are there. To the President, Uganda Law Society, criminal session case number 335 of 2025, Uganda versus Kano retired Dr. Kizza, Besigye, and two others. We are advocates for retired Kano Dr. Kizza and Obedi Lutale, on whose instructions we address you as here under. We trust that you take cognizance of all issues involved in the above mentioned case, being a matter of public interest, of great public interest. Ever since the accused persons were kidnapped from Nairobi on the 16th of November 2024 and reissued to Uganda without following the extradition processes, international law and immigration protocols, they have been subjected to egregious and horrendous human rights violations. After the illegal transfer to Uganda, they were confined in an ungazetted military facility and maliciously arraigned before the General Court Martial at Machindie with a litany of charges of terrorism and possession of firearms and ammunition. Following the Supreme Court decision in the famous Kabaziguruka case on trial of civilians before the General Court Martial, the charges against our clients were informally dropped, and fresh counts of treason and misprision of treason were preferred before civilian courts during the month of February 2025. Since then, we have been embroiled in a protracted battle for a fair trial at the Criminal Division of the High Court of Uganda at Kampala before Justice Baguma. Our clients, who have been on remand for over 570 days, have been denied bail on 4 occasions, including mandatory bail. When the matter came up for preliminary hearing on the 8th day of June 2026, we raised 8 pertinent issues that needed to be thrashed out under Section 67(1) of the Trial and Indictment Act for purposes of laying a foundation for fair trial, but the accused persons were left disillusioned by the conduct of the judge, who glossed over these fundamental issues and directed that the trial should commence on the 11th day of June 2026, that is tomorrow. The judge decided to immediately appoint the assessors without any scrutiny, made vague orders on issues of facilities needed by the accused persons under Article 23 of the Constitution of the Republic of Uganda, and refused to fix an application for enforcement of rights against General Muhoozi Kainerugaba and General Muhoozi Kainerugaba, Kano Besigye and Peter, and Lieutenant Kano Byaruhanga, vide miscellaneous application number 227 of 2026, as well as the 5th bail application.